Title Tok Pisin, Rap Asian. Check 1 2 1 2 KGD music. They say it's broken, they say it's slang, but this the rhythm of the street, the language of the gang. Yo, 2026, let's break it down. Tok Pisin, I got drama belong, and that's what they say, but we're vibing in our own style every single day. It's not English, it's not Motu, it's a brand new flow. And power belong, you, me, everywhere we go. No complicated rules to hold us back or make us slow. Tok Pisin run strong, man, you already know. Tok Pisin run strong, man, you already know. Wake up in the morning, catch a PNG to town. The sounds of the islands, you can never keep them down. Some people act stale and they wanna talk refined, but me no worry, leave that English logic far behind. You talk about your verbs and your subject-object rules, but Tok Pisin is the master, making all the others fools. Suppose me talk me go, then you know that I'm away. Simple, clean and heavy, that's the Papua New Guinea way. Tok Pisin, I got drama belong, and that's what they say, but we're vibing in our own style every single day. It's not English, it's not Motu, it's a brand new flow. And power belong, you, me, everywhere we go. No complicated rules to hold us back or make us slow. Tok Pisin run strong, man, you already know. Tok Pisin run strong, man, you already know. Belong and long, the only keys you really need. Planting the communication, sowing every seed. From the mountains of the highlands to the man sea so blue. This language is the glue that is sticking me to you. You say it's got no structure, well look at how we move. We're mixing up the cultures just to find a better groove. English is for textbooks, but Pisin is for the soul. And make belong on people, and it's taking full control. Listen to the beat, listen to the way we talk. From the way we sing to the way we walk. It's a melting pot of words, it's a cocoa in the pot. You're taking what we need and giving everything we've got. Maski longo low, maski longo book. Just listen to the sound and give the word a look. Yeah, Tok Pisin, I got grammar belong, and that's what they say, but we're vibing in our own style every single day. It's not English, it's not Motu, it's a brand new flow. And power belong, you, me, everywhere we go. No complicated rules, don't hold us back or make us slow. Tok Pisin run strong, man, you already know. Tok Pisin run strong, man.